severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hamden County in western Massachusetts, until 5 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Montague, or near Greenfield, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Westfield, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, West Springfield, Greenfield, Orange, Deerfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Bellstontown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Bethel, Woods End Down, and Monson. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin and Worcester. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 4 p.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, mostly sunny 66. Freiburg, sunny 75. Wiscasset, sunny 69. Augusta, cloudy 69. Bangor was cloudy and 66. And in Caribou, cloudy 67. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth reported partly sunny, the temperature was 67. At Concord, it was mostly sunny and the temperature was 77 degrees. In Lebanon, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 77.
Alright, let's see if we can get this.
Damage such as 50% chance of showers. Highs in the
Okay, that's picking up a gray channel 1 station, so we'll see what that is in a second. You can kind of hear it. You can kind of hear it there. Now the question is, I need to figure out what station that was, because this thing was picking up a gray channel 1 station, which I think is... I don't even know. Alright, there you have it. Is this going over here?
Pittsfield.
Nope. We'll be going to KHB 35.
Southeastern Bristol County. County in Rhode Island until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dartmouth, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include New Bedford, Dartmouth, Marion, Middleborough, Wareham, Fairhaven, Tiverton, Westport, Harbor, Acushnet, Freetown, Manitosa, Rochester, and Little Compton. This is NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of weather, bringing you the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other weather information 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Station KHB 35 serves the
go.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, north central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dedham, or over Milton, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Quincy, Lynn, New UN, Somerville, Waltham, Maldon, Brookline, Medford, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, Billerica, Lee, Woburn, and Braintree. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts, Essex, and Middlesex. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packmonadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 7 p.m. weather observations.
Ooh.